Hello, everybody. Today, let's talk about something controversial. A lot of videos are saying that a lot of people do not need the most expensive flagship devices, and I disagree with them. In a way, I believe a lot of people should have flagship devices that are older. A lot of people aren't going to necessarily need the exact battery size and power from the iPhone 18 Pro Max. But a lot of people would have a fair bit of good uses for an iPhone 15 Pro Max. I also believe this applies to other things like tablets and laptops, but a lot of people do need to have the older, whatever flagship device, especially in phones. I think this is a good thing because, especially if you get a refurbished one, you're going to get one with a pretty good battery. This doesn't apply just to Apple phones. You should also get some of the better Android devices out there, like the 23 Samsung Ultra. That sounds like a pretty good phone to buy right now. I don't want people to think that they have to buy the brand spanking new device every year that's the most expensive. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is you should definitely get a older phone that is a premium flagship device so then you can use it like you would with a weaker phone, but you also have the ability to do more if you want to. Also, the older flagship devices, especially if you replace the battery, will last for a very, very long time. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max that has a really bad battery, but if I replace the battery, man, that phone is still useful in a lot of circumstances. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, let me know if you plan on getting a premium flagship device, which one do you want to get? If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comments down below and subscribe because if you do subscribe, that would make me feel better. And if you dislike the video, hit the dislike twice to show me how much you really do not like the video.